Starting a new platform shouldn't mean extra work for teachers. That's why your school has already set up everything you need in Xeropan Classroom. Your account is ready, your classes are ready, and your students are already enrolled, so you can focus on teaching, not administration. In this video, you'll learn how to access Xeropan Classroom for the very first time, using the login details your school sent you. After a quick sign-in, you'll immediately see your pre-created classes and enrolled students. Xeropan is an AI-powered language learning platform officially recognized by thousands of K-12 institutions and governments for its pedagogical quality and classroom impact. Xeropan Classroom is the teacher dashboard that connects all this content, CEFR-aligned lessons, interactive exercises, and AI speaking simulations with your daily teaching. Your school has already uploaded teacher and student data, defined classes, allocated licenses, and created every account for you. Start by opening your browser and going to classroom.xeropan.com/users/login. This is the official login page for teachers. Your school has already created your Xeropan Classroom account. You should have received your email address for logging in and a temporary password. Now enter your email, type the temporary password, and click Sign In. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Classes page. Here you'll see every group that was assigned to you. Each class includes the students uploaded by the school. You're ready to explore the content library, assign lessons, and support your students right away. Here are a few easy first steps once you're logged in. Open a class to confirm your students are listed correctly. Ask students to log into the Xeropan app using the accounts their school prepared. When you're ready, continue to the next video of this teacher training.